Hello. Meet Vivid, a financial digital twin that goes way beyond your credit score. 45 million Americans are credit invisible. No score, no file, no shot at a loan. And millions more are gig workers and freelancers whose financial health just doesn't show up in a FICO number. Vivid changes that, and let me show you how. So this is our landing page, and this is the sample of how different Vivid scores may look for different people. And you can see that not really your FICO score correlates with a good financial health. What we want to show is a more holistic view for people who may not have um, good FICO scores or sufficient credit history to show credit unions and for lenders to provide a more accurate solution. So we can log in through email, set up an account directly to the Plate API. We'll continue without the phone number. And this is in sandbox mode for the Cloud API. So none of this information is actually real, but it will be connected. So we can input all of our data, loans, mortgages, anything connected to Plaid. And it takes a couple seconds connecting to our Google Cloud API that runs agentic models powered by Gemini, Google Gemini. And as we can see, we are building our financial twin, analyzing transactions, and returns to us a Vivid score developed from Gemini. And we have this amazing front end that shows us different ratios of growth momentum, income stability, spending discipline, debt trajectory. Built into this are different explanations to our scores and examples of the transactions that we have for each category. We can see that we have a debt trajectory score of 94 out of 100, and it explains to us our average debt to income ratio is 26%, DTI is trending downward over time, we have good debt payment. And for users who want a more simple explanation or don't want to just go into these pages and read it by themselves, they could read a AI financial narrative, and this is developed every time you make a digital financial twin, and it explains to us every score and why it's scored that way. We also developed a on-site chatbot that could just tell us quick things about our digital twin. We could ask it about subscriptions. That's great. And not only that, we also have how can we compare each other to other people? I'm comparing it right now with active Vivid users. We have a horrible savings rate compared to other people. Um, we have common red flags, two lenders that explains it to us in depth, a time machine that simulates how it would be if we keep living like this, but we have $200 a month to savings. And there's very other scenarios that we can include. We have optimized spending page, a loan shield that explains how we would look to lenders given our financial scenario. We also have simulated stress tests that run what would happen if, for let's say, 50% income reduction. It tells us in depth bill negotiator and way more things Our solution is just to provide a better holistic approach, and we have translations.